Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast of Cooking, coming at you tonight with another video courtesy of my sister and them up in Alaska, doing a moose roast, okay? A little roast they sent me, kind of like a chuck, I suppose. But let me show you down here. It's a little easier for me to bring it down here than it is for me to bring it up there. Hopefully y'all can see well here with this light. Basically, this is a little moose roast, and I've dusted down with the Heaven Made Products Texas's Best brisket rub, okay? Really good on that. And then I've got a little chuck roast I'm going to cook along with it, just so we'll have enough for everybody. And I've got that with Cash Cow beef rub from Big Papa Smokers, the same people that make my brisket injections, okay? There's some good stuff here. It does clunk up some, but I've got plenty of that rub on there, okay? So let's get this in the pan. All right, hopefully y'all can see this here. I got them in a pan sitting on top of some vegetables, some onions, some carrots, some little chopped up potatoes. That's how I'm going to do this tonight, because I'm probably going to let it go all night. I've got some beef stock, all natural beef stock. I'll show you what I'm going to put on here. This will be mainly for later, but I'm going to go ahead and do this so I won't have to disturb it later on. Put some of this stock here in the bottom of this pan. It's going to make some of its own juice too, but this will just be extra good and flavorful. And I'll put some Beezels Cajun seasoning on the vegetables. Might put a little bit more, just since I've washed some down when it stopped. But y'all know this Beezels, my favorite Cajun seasoning. All right, so put that on there, just like that. Now let's go ahead and throw these out there on the Yoder. Y'all, I've got the Yoder rolling out here with some Lumberjack 100% cherry pellets. Look, they got this neat little clip now that you can put on the bag once you've opened them. That's pretty neat. But anyway, got the 100% cherry on here. We're rolling this about 280 or so. All right, go ahead and put it on the cooker. Let's get that on up in there. There we go. That should be good. Looks real nice. It's sitting right up in the Yoder. We'll close it down and let it smoke away, y'all. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and check this out here. Been on here for a few hours. Well, it's a couple hours, more like it. We'll go ahead, and it looks beautiful. Let's see, a little bit of light over here, maybe. And I got my thermopen. We'll just take some temperatures and turn the temps. Right over here, 118, 119, 120, 21. Try this one over here. 42. All right. Okay, what I'm going to do at this point, I want to give these a flip. Hope y'all can see. I want the other side of the meats. Get a little bit of a crust too. There we go. Just like that. Just give it a flip and let it keep on going. Alright, y'all. So we've been cooking out here for about 3 or so hours. About 3 hours, about 4 hours. We're going to give it a flip and everything else. Now I'm going to cover these bad boys with foil. Alright? Because they need to get some steam in there. Everything to get them tender. I'm going to let them just continue for the rest of the night, pretty much. Covered in foil, okay? So, now we're going to do this. There we go. Just like that. Seal them on up, okay? That'll be nice right there. We'll check them in the morning. Y'all, so the roast has been out here all night. I'm about to get them off the cooker. Let's take a look what we got here. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous or what? I wish y'all could smell. Oh, my gosh. It smells wonderful. Move you up some. Let you see that. That's beautiful. Won't get them off. Bring them inside. All right, y'all. This roast looks, it smells amazing. Let's go ahead and give it a try. First off, let's look at look at the moose. Oh, moose meat. It's just falling apart. Look at the beef one. Falling apart. Of course, vegetables super tender. Look at that, y'all. I hope y'all can see this. And that is just gorgeous. Let me zoom it in for you. Y'all got to see how tender that that meat is. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that moose right there. I'm gonna give that a try. That's what I'm most excited about, just Alaskan wild moose right there. Oh yes, sir. So let's give that a try, see how it is. Thanks again, Robin and Ben, for sharing your harvest with me here. Oh man, no, that is amazingly good. No wild game taste, just a mellow, a little bit different taste than beef, almost like a nutty, almost like a little bit of dry aged taste. Oh, I love that. I love that. Oh, it's amazing. Yes, the moose is definitely very good. I'll try the beef. I'm sure it's good as well. Has some good marbling in that beef. And it's just falling apart too. Oh yeah. That's good. The flavor there. But still, that moose, I like it the best. Thanks again, y'all. Please like the video, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Y'all keep tuning in and bring you some more videos. Y'all have a good one.